The September 11th Memorial and Museum is a tribute located in Lower Manhattan at the World Trade Center site where the Twin Towers once stood, honoring the 2,977 people killed in the September 11, 2001 terrorist attacks. The outdoor Memorial Plaza features two massive square reflecting pools built directly into the original footprints of the North and South Towers, showcasing the largest man-made waterfalls in North America cascading into central voids, while the bronze parapets surrounding them are engraved with the names of the victims arranged by meaningful adjacencies to group together family, friends, and co-workers. The plaza is also home to a grove of swamp white oak trees, a dedicated memorial glade honoring recovery workers and survivors facing chronic illnesses, and the survivor tree, a resilient calorie pear tree that was pulled from the rubble, nursed back to health, and replanted as a symbol of hope. Beneath the plaza lies the underground museum, which takes visitors down to the literal bedrock foundation of the original towers to display monumental artifacts like the survivor's staircase, the iconic last column, and damaged fire engines. Inside, deeply historical and memorial exhibitions use archival news footage, personal belongings, audio recordings, and photographs to tell the sequential story of that day, its global impact, and the individual lives of those who were lost. The outdoor plaza is entirely free and open to the public daily from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., while the indoor museum operates with timed ticket entry from Wednesday through Monday, requiring airport-style security screening for all visitors arriving via the highly accessible subway lines or the adjacent Oculus transportation hub.